Have you ever made $5,000 a month? If not so, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new niche where you can automate everything with the power of AI. And let me tell you, the earning potential is limitless. With this method, you can make money not only through YouTube ads or AdSense, but also by adding affiliate links to your descriptions. Think about it, every time someone watches a clothing-related video, there's a 40 to 50% chances they'll make a purchase. So if you manage to get just 10,000 views in a month, you could easily sell clothing to 400 to 600 people. But that's not all. You'll also attract clothing sponsorships, and you can charge a premium for paid collaborations with brands. The earning opportunities are endless. So grab a cup of tea and make sure to watch this video all till the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of it. Step 1, finding a video topic. Now, the first question is, how will you find trending topics for your YouTube channel that are relevant to your audience? You just need to create videos related to whatever is currently trending, or you can choose topics related to festivals or seasons. Otherwise, you can refer to other channels in your niche that are already popular, and from there, you can get ideas for what kind of videos to make. There are plenty of channels out there that focus solely on clothing reviews, so find a few similar channels and follow them for inspiration. Alright, so currently winter season is approaching, so you can create videos about clothing related to this season. In addition, if you type 1 or 2 keywords on YouTube, it will suggest a lot of topics for you. As you can see, you can get plenty of topic ideas from there as well. Alright, with that, we've completed our first step. Now let's move on to the next step, step 2. Finding a product. Once you've decided on your topic, the next step is to find a product related to it on Amazon. But before that, you'll need to create an account in the Amazon affiliate program. To do this, search for Amazon affiliate and click on the relevant link. Then follow the step-by-step process to sign up after creating your account. Log into Amazon using the same email associated with your affiliate account. Now search for a product related to your topic. For example, since it's winter season, I'll focus on winter clothes. You'll find plenty of options, but choose a product that has good ratings and reviews. Also, check how many people have purchased it in the past month. You can find this information right on Amazon. Alright, I'll go with this one. It has great reviews and ratings. This is how you should select products from Amazon. Alright, now let's move on to the next step, step 3, video creation for video creation. I'll show you step by step. In the first method, I'll introduce you to a tool that can create a complete video for you in just one click. The video will look so professional that no one will realize. It was made using AI in the second method. I'll guide you on how to remove watermark from the video so that you can upload it on your completely new YouTube channel manually. Create a video step by step. Alright, let's start with the first method. Open your browser and search for TopView AI. Just click on the first link and sign up and create an account. This tool also offers features like avatar marketing videos, talking photo avatars, AI image creation, and AI voice generation. To create a video, select the avatar marketing video option. You'll see a variety of avatars available that look incredibly natural. These avatars not only sync lip movements, but also perform realistic actions. I'll go with this one. After choosing an avatar, you'll find multiple options for out and positions for the avatar. Select one that best fits your video's theme. I'm selecting this one now. All you have to do is paste the product link here. It can be from Amazon, Shopify, Pinterest, Etsy, or any other platform. Once you've pasted the link, click Analyze, and within a few moments, the tool will automatically extract all the information from your product link. If you want to add your own material, you can do so here, or you can have it generated by AI. Once the product is analyzed, a pop-up will appear asking which photos or videos you'd like to include in your video. Next, you'll need to choose the script style, aspect ratio, and voice over. You'll find plenty of options to customize your video content using lifelike AI voices in less than 1 minute. I'll go with this one. After making your selections, simply click Generate. Within a short time, you'll have 3 different versions of the video to choose from, if needed. You can generate additional versions or make edits directly to the script. For example, I'll add a line like link in my bio, so I'll click on Edit, add a new row, and insert my custom line, and just like that, our video is if...
Bet you didn't think staying warm could be this easy. This fleece lining is the cozy hug you need this winter. Face the winds with zero fear, thanks to this jacket. Adjustable hood and cuffs seal in all the warmth. Bye-bye breeze. Full zipper closure keeps you snug and secure on every adventure. You'll never run out of space with 8 pockets. Store your gear, treasures, and secrets all in one jacket. From the woods to the city, this jacket is your perfect companion. Perfect for hiking, traveling, and just living your best life. Look sharp on your daily autumn and winter grind. Bring back that old school vibe, effortlessly cool. You can check the link in the bio. Get yours now and slay the cold season with style.
Is if you want to make further changes, simply go to edit and make adjustments as needed. Here's another video I created for a different product, and this is the result.
Ever felt uncomfortable in your cozy wear? Finding the right fit can be tricky, right? Introducing the Shawan oversized sweatshirt made from high-quality polyester and cotton. This hoodie is soft, cozy, and durable, perfect for any casual occasion. Pair it with jeans or leggings. Great for outdoor and indoor activities. True to size US options available. Embrace comfort and style effortlessly. Get yours today and feel amazing.
Additionally, you can edit the video further by adding stickers, subtitles, background music, and other elements. Top view. AI provides all these options, allowing you to create a fully customized video with just one click. Alright, now let's move on to the watermark removing method. But before that, if you want me to cover a specific topic for you, just add the name of the channel and some information in the comment section. I will pick your comment and create a complete dedicated video on that topic for you. Okay, for removing watermark from your video, I will tell you 2 methods. First, one is paid and the second one is completely free. First, listen to paid and we will move towards free. For that, you need to purchase the starter plan of this website, which is more reliable here. You can see they are giving $60 discount on their annual plan, which is almost 40% discount you can get. In order to avail this, click on the pricing button where you will see 4 different plans: the free plan, the starter plan, the business plan, and the enterprise. But I suggest you to go with the starter plan, where just $9 a month you are going to pay with limitless services like 600 credits, and you can make 120 videos in that, which is far enough for you to earn $20,000, and you will get unlimited video previews with 50 GBs storage. And best of all, you will get all the videos with no watermark. Here are 2 categories: yearly plan and monthly plan. Here in monthly plan, you will get the same starter in $19, which is very costly. Now let me tell you how to remove this watermark for completely free with 0 cost. So I think the video is becoming quite lengthy. So for removing watermark, I will give some authentic website names. In my WhatsApp channel, you can find the link of my channel in this video's description or on my channel's bio. So subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars and like this video, and do a comment if you want to second part of it. And if you want to earn money from Temu affiliate programs, so watch this video, or want to make Ronaldo and Messi trending videos, so click here and watch till the end. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye bye.